to this amazing man, amazing partner, amazing husband, amazing friend, and amazing father of our kids. Papa Bong, thank you for everything, and I thank the Lord for your life. I appreciate you of everything that you do for our family. Thank you for taking care of us and loving us. Salamat dahil alam ko lagi kitang katuwang, lalo na sa mga gawaing bahay at kung ano pa man yan. Thank you for doing your best effort and hard work for our family. May the Lord bless you even more and grant you all the desires of your heart. Let's win the challenge of life together, whether it's hard or easy, because I believe the Lord is there to accompany and guide us in every decision we make in life. Thank you, and we love you always.